The Two Goats and the Narrow Bridge. Once upon a time, in a lush green valley, two goats named Buzo and Mizo lived happily. Buzo was a brown goat with bright, curious eyes, while Mizo was a white goat with a playful spirit. Though they lived on opposite sides of the river, they often met while grazing on the hills. One fine morning, both goats wanted to cross a narrow wooden bridge that lay over the rushing river. Buzo wanted to go to Mizo's side, and Mizo wanted to go to Buzo's side. Without noticing each other, they stepped onto the bridge from opposite ends. Halfway across, they met in the middle. Buzo said, stamping his hoof.
"This is my way. Move aside."
Mizo replied, shaking his head.
"No, I came first. You move."
The river beneath them roared fiercely, and the wooden planks creaked. If they fought, both would surely fall into the river. Just then, Buzo had an idea. "Instead of fighting, why don't we help each other?" he suggested. Mizo nodded. "Yes! If I kneel down, you can gently step over me." So Mizo carefully bent down and Buzo lightly stepped over him. Soon both goats were on their way, safe and happy. They turned back and smiled at each other. "That was smart," said Mizo. "Yes, unity is strength," replied Buzo. From that day on, Buzo and Mizo became the best of friends, always helping each other instead of fighting. When we work together, we find better solutions. Unity is strength.